The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Kia Niro with the Yakima JetStream Ridgeline base roof rack system. So this system consists of the JetStream black small 50-inch load bars, the Ridgeline towers, and the Ridgeline clip set, RC25 in this case. So this fit will also work for the 2017 through 2022 Kia Niro with this factory installed flush side rail. So flush side rails are rails that sit flush against the roof versus a rail that has a spacing between the roof and the rail. That would be a raised rail. Here's the rear bar. So right now they are spaced at 32 inches apart. The overall weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds distributed between the two load bars. It's a great option for this vehicle and to carry all sorts of fun gear, bikes, kayaks, cargo, even rooftop tents. And it actually does add a nice little sporty vibe to the vehicle. JetStream load bars have a T-track on top, allows for mounting into the bar in addition to clamping onto the bar. So a very useful, versatile system. So yeah, for more details on this system, visit the link in the description. It'll take you directly to our website, therackshop.com, or go ahead and hop on there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more installs and hopefully useful content for you. So there you go, 2019 Kia Niro. Thanks for watching.